Welcome to Technology Lab. Today we will learn more about big data. In the last video we learned about data, about big data, examples of big data and types of big data. Today we will learn about data growth over the years and characteristics of big data. Let us learn about data growth over the years. Please note that web application data, which is unstructured, consists of log files, transaction history files, etc. OLTP systems are built to work with structured data, where data is stored in relations, mainly in database tables. As per the current rate of data growth, in the year 2030, total unstructured data volume will be 78 petabytes. Let us learn about characteristics of big data. In recent years, big data was defined by the 3 V's, but now there is 5 V's of big data, which are also termed as the characteristics of big data as follows: volume, velocity, variety, veracity and value. Let us learn about 5 V's. Volume. The name big data itself is related to a size which is enormous. Volume is a huge amount of data. To determine the value of data, size of data plays a very crucial role. If the volume of data is very large, then it is actually considered as big data. This means whether a particular data can actually be considered as a big data or not is depend upon the volume of data. Hence, while dealing with big data, it is necessary to consider a characteristics volume. In the year 2016, the estimated global mobile tariff was 6.2 petabyte per month. Also, till the year 2020, we had almost 40,000 exabytes of data. Velocity. Velocity refers to the high speed of accumulation of data. In big data, velocity data flows in from sources like machines, networks, social media, mobile phones, etc. There is a massive and continuous flow of data. This determines the potential of data, that how fast the data is generated and processed to meet the demands. Sampling data can help in dealing with the issue like velocity. There are more than 3.5 billion searches per day are made on Google. Also, Facebook users are increasing by 22% year by year. Variety. It refers to nature of data, that is structured, semi-structured and unstructured data. It also refers to heterogeneous sources. Variety is basically the arrival of data from news sources that are both inside and outside of an enterprise. It can be structured, semi-structured, and unstructured. Structured data. This data is basically an organized data. It generally refers to data that has defined the length and format of data. Semi-structured data. This data is basically a semi-organized data. It is generally a form of data that do not conform to the formal structure of data. Log files are the examples of this type of data. Unstructured data. This data basically refer to unorganized data. It generally refers to data that does not fit nearly into the traditional row and column structure of the relational database. Text, pictures, videos, etc. are the example of unstructured data which cannot be stored in the form of row and columns. Veracity. It refers to inconsistencies and uncertainty in data. That is, data which is available can sometimes get messy and quality and accuracy are difficult to control. Big data is also variable because of the multitude of data dimensions resulting from multiple disparate data types and sources. Data is bulk could create confusion, whereas less amount of data could convey half or incomplete information. Value. After having the 4 V's into account, there comes one more V which stands for value. The bulk of data having no value is of no good to the company unless you turn it into something useful. Data in itself is of no use or importance, but it needs to be converted into something valuable to extract information. Hence, you can state that value is the most important V of all the 5 V's. Hope you learned about big data. We will discuss more about big data in next video. If you have any question about big data, let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, then please like and share this video. To get instant notification about our new videos, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon.